Hey all, hope you had a fantastic week and got lots of pips, and you hopefully didn't get caught out this week. It's a great week for trading, and look forward to the next few months. If the volatility keeps up like this, it's been good. Let's start off with EU. EU, we basically had a consolidation area this week of 3 doji candles. We had a bit of a fake out at the top, and then 2 days of really nice strong shorts. Sellers really stepped in here, so beautiful trade off this short break right here, as well as quite a bunch of nice price action trades on lower time frames for EU. Looking for this week to come, just look out for this support and resistance area, this 142 zone. It's got some history to the left of the screen, as well as just here as well. Price did break through this 142.50 zone, then used it as support for the further push up, so approach this zone with caution. Further down than that is the 140.50 zone, so if the price does break through, keep an eye out for that. Let's have a look at GU. GU is right on a support and resistance zone at the moment. Had basically a week down of short movement, just as the rest of it. So keep an eye on this zone where price is currently. Below that, the 163 area will be the next support, and then this swing point. I think we might be heading for this 159 or 1560 zone, but we'll have to wait for the 16230. Sorry, I say that again. 162.90 area, just this area here, to break first. AU has had a bit of a pullback, broke through some support and resistance. Did have a bit of a bounce on Friday, but I think this week will be short-lived, and we'll see this 102.50 mark. Oops, sorry about that arrow. Try that again. I think we'll see that 102.50 mark this week. Had a really nice bounce off the 1.1000 mark. So yeah, we could see a little bit of a pullback, but I think we'll see a further pull down as the week goes on. GJ finally broke through the support that we were waiting it for. It took a while to actually get some momentum. I will probably see this drop further down too. Watch out for the 130 zone, and under that probably 127.50, and then the last swing lows. Finally for this week, the master candles. We had a pretty good run this week, and I'll just go over them. First master candle for the week was just here, and beautiful short, and a pretty big total right down to this last swing point, and I'll do that in a second. This one here was also a nice long, no new low where the candle formed, and then a nice break. This one here I don't really deem as a good trade, but I'm going to include it anyway because it would have been quite hard to see this one. See how price consolidated, and then the master candle formed just above the consolidation. The break of this master candle to short was actually in the consolidation zone. So if we picture price breaking above an area, then retracing for support before a further break higher, that's what price did here. This bottom area, this here, is right there, and the break below the master candle was underneath that zone. So the odds that it would have been a successful trade is pretty slim. So keep that in mind for further, not just master candle trades, but all your trading. Keep that in mind. But we will include this one in the results, as it's quite difficult. So the first one for the entire move was 200. but the likelihood that you would have got 200 is a little slim. So we'll make it an even 100. This master candle here is just over 40 pips in size. So our 1 to 1 is to the swing high of 50 pips. And then this swing point with the entry just below it is an 80 pip loss. It's about 100 pips, 50 pips, so about 70 pips for their week. So quite a good week in the end. You might have got a lot more pips on this move down, but I was just making it pretty fair for people and making the results pretty open and honest. Hope you all had a fantastic week and enjoyed your weekend. I'll talk to you soon.